What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. If you're new here, we get things done quickly. Are you tired of having to fumble around with your Sony batteries or camera batteries of any sort? Tired of charging just 2 batteries at a time or just one? I got something that you might like. This right here is the Tilta multi-battery charging station. It's a portable station. It weighs just under 176 grams. It's lightweight, keeps your batteries organized, and protects them as well. All you need is a Type-C USB or USB Type-C to charge it. It supports up to 45 watts. And what's also awesome about this charger is that not only does it charge one battery, it'll charge 4 batteries at a time. And what's cool is that you have a small little battery light indicator. It'll go from red to yellow to green, letting you know which battery is charged and how much charge it has. This is meant to be carried all the time with you. It fits into a small bag. You can have it on a fanny pack, on a shoulder strap bag, book bag, etc. It's not a big battery pack. It holds 4 batteries. Yeah, sure, you could have made the bezels a little thinner on the inside here, but ultimately, for what it is, it works. Now, my only caveat with it is these little things here. Not sure why they didn't opt out for a clamshell system like this. Would have been nice, but it locks in like this. I haven't had any issues with it opening up in my bag or anything. It actually keeps it better secure than what it would be just flying around in there. So very easy to charge. A battery, you would just snap it in as you would any other battery into any other charging station, except this, you can then unplug it and take it with you. It is not a charging dock or a backup battery. You have to plug it in for it to work. It will not power any other devices. Now, what's awesome about this kit is that you can also order an add-on of their own Tilta NP-FZ100 battery, which also can be charged via a USB-C. And I'll show you that one here. So the Tilta battery, what's awesome about that battery is that it has its own built-in USB-C port. So if you're out on the fly and that's the only battery you have, do not fear, you can plug it in with your cell phone charger and it will still charge. Another good thing about that battery is that it's slightly larger than the Sony battery. This one comes in at 2400 milliamp hour, while the Sony is about 2280. So it gives you a little extra juice, a couple more photos, a couple more minutes of video, which is great out in the field. Now, in order for you guys to use the maximum capacity of this battery charger, it is recommended you use a 45 watt supply brick. I've got mine plugged into an Anchor. I've showed it for in my videos. You can find a video about it here. This is what I use to plug it in when I'm at home. When I'm out on the road, I have a battery charger in the back of my truck, or the Jeep actually, not a truck, and it charges that way. It's a little slower in the car, but at home it charges up rather quickly. Now, it can charge all 4 batteries from 0 to 100% with, of course, a 45 watt charger in about 3 hours, give or take, which to have 4 batteries back up in 3 hours, as we all know, Sony guys, it's great. Now, this charger also works with Sony, Tilta, and all third-party or a majority of third-party FZ100 batteries. Personally guys, as you know, I have another channel. I do a lot of overlanding, hiking, camping, etc. This is meant for people on the go. I know wedding photographers love this. I love it for the business. It keeps my batteries organized. I have a Pelican case that doubles down as a charging bank, and this sits in there while I'm at weddings or events or just filming any commercial location. We use it for the business. It works phenomenal. But I like the added protection of it having a cover when I'm out in the field, filming my overlanding stuff, my camping stuff. It keeps everything protected, so I'm happy with it in that sense. Now guys, I know the pricing wise, it varies. You can have it find it anywhere from 30 to 50 bucks for the charging brick itself. You can also add on a battery. It comes up to like 80 bucks. Overall though, this is phenomenal. You can buy, K&F sells their own things, everything else. It's not as fast. Batteries aren't secured in there very well, and you can't really take it with you unless you lug it some separate way. At least with this one though, with the Tilta, you can have 4 batteries in there and take it with you and always have the battery secured. You know that if you grab that, you have the batteries in there. So guys, now that we're done here, what are your thoughts on this Tilta charger? I love this thing to death. It works phenomenal. I can throw it to my Pelican case and take it with me. If you want one of your own, links down below. Like always, all these links are affiliate links. So anytime you purchase something, it supports this channel and keeps me coming back and giving you more awesome videos. Alright guys, see ya on the next one.